Hello, hello, hello. Good afternoon po sa inyong lahat and we are live. We are live here at Jiyogaoka, Meguro, Tokyo. Samahan niyo po ako maglakad konti. It's actually my break time and you guys all know whenever it's my break time, I'm here to do my daily lives. It's a way for me to share this amazing business that we are currently doing, which is called affiliate marketing or digital marketing, and also while practicing what it takes to become a successful and focus of this live stream is to unlock our full potential po through personal development. Bakit ba importante yung personal development? Dahil if you are the business owner, if you are the entrepreneur, if you are the mind behind the business, the mind behind something, you need to learn, diba? You need to develop yourself. You need to be able to learn new skills, learn new things. You need to be able to adopt, because if you stop learning and if you stop improving every single day, so is your business. That's why I really am a big believer of personal development. And through personal development, marami pong magde-develop sa inyo. Hindi lang po in your own personal ways. It can also help you financially. These are my goals, and I'm hoping also for the people that are watching that I can help them at one point in their life to go to the next level. So yun po, actually it's a really cloudy. Kanina kasing umaga, umulan po ngayon. Kaninang umaga yung malakas ng ulan, ngayon huminto na siya. So medyo cloudy. It's medyo chilly weather po today. And today I'm really excited kasi I just finished work. And I'm just gonna take the time before the dismissal. But today is the start officially of our vacation. We're gonna have a 2-week vacation and we are going to the Philippines. Cannot wait to go back to the Philippines and be with my parents, Lola Da and Lolo Da, and to celebrate Ice and Zoe's birthday. Para po sa mga taong di nakakaalam, si Zoe po at saka si Ai, po ang asawa ko at saka yung anak ko, parehas po sila ng birthday. And we are going to celebrate it. Saan pa ba? Sa Jollibee. We're gonna go to Jollibee. We're gonna go to Jollibee po. It's actually tomorrow ang birthday nila, but we are gonna celebrate it on Sunday because we are going to arrive the Philippines tomorrow, and napakahirap pala mag-book ng Jollibee. Just so you know, book in advance. You are trying to book all the Jollibees close to our place, pero ang bilis nila na sold out. Sobrang bilis po nila. Yung pong mga time na gusto namin, nawala. Ganun pala talaga kahirap at ganun pala talaga dami ang gusto mag-birthday sa Jollibee, but I'm grateful na nagawa namin. So yeah, I'm so excited to go tomorrow. I'm so excited po to see the Philippines again and to be able to see Zoe again, to be with her Lola and Lolo, and may mga kamag-anak na makikita. So let's go straight away po on our topic. This topic for today is the topic that I think that is one of the most important value that you can practice. This is the value that I am practicing and I want to be incorporated in my life at one point. I want to be able to do this for the rest of my life because this value na i-discuss ko po ngayon, isa po siya sa mga mapa personal life, mapa trabaho, mapa negosyo. Once you master or once you have this value sa inyong buhay, I know that I really do believe that you can achieve everything. And what's this value that we are talking about is the value of consistency. Consistency. Parati kang nandun, parati kang nagpapakita, kahit na ayaw mong gawin ng isang bagay, you are still doing it. Kung ayaw mo pa rin, kunyari, tinatamad ka, kunyari, ayaw mong gawin, but still, you know the fact na you are disciplined and you know for a fact that you need to show up. Consistency is the backbone po of everything in life. If you are consistent on one thing. So I'm here to discuss I'm going to discuss 5 benefits pag nagiging consistent po tayo sa isang bagay, kung ano ba ang natutulong nito sa atin. Kasi ako po, I'm not saying po na I am a perfect and consistent guy. Ako po nagpa-practice po ako maging consistent kahit na minsan kasi sobrang tinatamad ako. Tao lang rin po ako. Minsan ayoko talagang gawin tong live na to. Minsan ayoko rin po talagang kumayod. Minsan gusto ko lang mag-relax. Pero showing up every single day, being consistent on your goal will help you go to places that you never imagine. Because nung nag-start po na naging consistent ako, nakita ko po na nagbago yung aking buhay. Sobrang laking pagbabago ng aking buhay nung naging consistent ako at one thing. Now, I'm trying to incorporate it and I'm trying to become better on being consistent. Okay? The first benefit of becoming if you are consistent is, anong mangyayari? It builds trust. It builds trust. Consistency help you build trust with your potential clients, potential business partners, potential customers. If you are consistent, may isip nila, maasahan ko tong tao na to. If you have a restaurant or consistent na masarap yung pagkain na to, lalo kayong babalikan ng tao. If you have something na you are doing like a service, if you are consistently providing good service to the people, good service to the customers, of course, maaalala kayo ng mga customers, no? Of course, maaalala kayo ng mga tao na nakasalamuhan nyo at one point. So, it's really important. It helps build trust. So, number 2, ano ba yung sinulat ko dito? It creates solid reputation. Creates solid reputation. Being consistently, if you are consistent at one thing, it shows na maaasahan kayo ng tao, na you are reliable and committed. Like me, I'm committed with this business. I'm committed in becoming rich. I'm committed in helping a lot of people. I'm committed in motivating people to know that there's another way in making money. There's another way that you can earn lucrative amount of money, not just by working and trading your time for money. So mas lalo kanilang maasahan, and everything mas lalo kang magmumukhang committed sa kanila. So that is the second benefit. It creates solid reputation kasi dependable ka eh. Papasok sa mata ng mga tao, your potential clients or potential business partners, that this guy always shows up. This woman is always showing up. This person is like, no matter umaraw man o gabi, umaraw man or umulan, bumagyo, it doesn't matter. He or she always shows up. So you can be dependable. So number 3 po, then po number 2, it creates a solid reputation, and the number 3 is develop discipline and focus. This is really true because now I'm consistently doing this daily live. Like I said, hindi ko po to ginagawa dati and kinakabahan ako dating gawin ito. But one thing po na aking napansin nung parati ko po siyang ginawa, parati ko siyang ginagawa at parang naging attached na siya on my routine. Now I'm more disciplined. When I say discipline, like no matter what, na pagod ako, if I'm not feeling good, I'm still gonna do it. Like right now, I'm not really feeling my job right now. There's a whole another story, but now I'm more motivated to succeed in this business. I'm more motivated to help other people make money. I'm more motivated to achieve greater achievement in this business because I don't want to be an employee anymore. I don't want to be a slave anymore for like a company or a school. I don't want I will give them the mercy of like begging for something that they don't want to do. Good days are coming. I already moved on, but this is just like a wake-up call sa akin na I'm not really born to become an employee. I'm born to become a leader. I'm born to become a helper. I am born to help people make money, help people unlock their true potential, because I know na through practicing like this, I can unlock also my full potential and I can also help a lot of people. I'm just gonna stay focused and do things consistently because I know at one point it will click. I will not be an employee bibigyan ko to ng taning. Ang pagiging empleyado ko, meron na to siyang taning sa buhay. Okay? Because I do not like begging for something na silang may kapangyarihan na lang bigay. Okay? We're not gonna go there. I'm gonna go there to the other ikukwento ko sa inyo next time, but I do not want to be an employee anymore. I'm telling you, I'm talking to myself right now. I will quit my job really soon. Okay, mark my words. I'm gonna help a lot of people make money. I'm gonna make a lot of money, and I will make sure of it. That's how I'm confident I am. It will happen. And then number 4. Ito talaga. This is really true, guys. This is really true. It will help you learn, and it will help you improve. Ako po nung una, doing this life, parati akong kinakabahan, parati akong nabubulol, parati akong nag-iisip kung ano ang iisipin ng ibang tao sa aking pagla-live. Pero ngayon, I just becoming consistently showing up and consistently practicing the thoughts that is coming through my mind through studying. Napapansin ko po na I am improving. I am becoming more comfortable in talking in front of the camera. I am becoming more comfortable in saying the real feeling that I'm having right now, which is I'm frustrated this morning. I'm really frustrated, but it's okay. It is what it is. I'm not gonna... kasi just to give you a quick side story, yung pong mga nangyayari sa ating buhay, masama man siya o maganda, yun lang pong perception natin ang nagsasabi niyan. Yun lang pong perception na yung pag-intindi na binibigay ng ating utak, yung pong nagbibigay ng istorya sa atin. Pero once na you can just accept na nangyari siya at it is, na hindi siya dahil sa ganito, dahil sa ganyan, siguro nagawa ko to, kaya nangyari to. Pagka kasi you are guessing something, you're just gonna be putting pressure on yourself. Pero if you are thinking like, nangyari siya, okay, just move on, life goes on, and just move on to the next step, I think that will help you more. Pag hindi ka nag-overthink na, kunyari, merong isang incident na hindi mo gusto na nangyari, tapos nangyari siya, tapos ngayon, binibigyan mo ng kwento yung utak mo na ganito yung nangyari kasi ganito yung nangyari kasi ganyan. Binibigyan mo ng kwento eh. But if you are willing to accept na yung nangyari na yun is because that's how it's supposed to happen, that is it. Tapos na siya. Sorry po, I'm just hindi naman ako nag-rant. I'm just letting the thoughts out of my mind because I do not want to be an employee for a really long time. I'm going to make this thing work. I'm going to help a lot of people make money. And I'm going to achieve it sooner than later. Number 5 is attracts opportunity. When you are consistently showing up, you do not know the opportunities na pwede nyo matanggap. Just by showing up, di mo alam. Baka pag ginawa mo siya paulit-ulit, yung isang moment na hinihintay mo, pwede siya mangyari. Hindi mo siya malalaman. At hindi mo siya mararanasan kung hindi ka nagpakita. Diba? Kung hindi, you didn't show up. You didn't try. Diba? So it's really important. If you want to achieve something, just keep on getting it. Keep on going. Keep on pushing. At one point, everything will fall into place. Everything will fall into place at one point. Always remember that if this is just like give and take. If you are giving your effort, if you are giving everything that you have, if you are really doing the things na it can help other people, if you are really genuine, if you have the integrity, and if you have the willingness to just stick on the plan, success will happen. I'm a really big believer of that. Because yun po ang pinapractice ko ngayon. Because I know one day it all will make sense. It all will fall into place. So if you are in a certain rut right now, or if you are feeling down because of your job, if you are doing something para makaalis ka kung sa sitwasyon mo ngayon, if you are doing something that you know that you will get you to another place at one point, just keep on doing it. Keep on doing it, and one day, God and the universe will reward you for your effort. The universe will reward you for the actions that you are taking. God will bless you for the perseverance and all of the stress na naranasan mo in becoming that person that you want to be. At one point, everything will all happen. Everything will happen. Just don't quit. Because if you quit, you already lose. If you do not quit and you keep on going, if you keep on failing and keep on standing up, it will happen. it will happen, man. I'm talking to myself right now because I'm really frustrated about the things that's not going to my. I'm really frustrated because some people do not see the potential that I'm giving them. They do not see the things that I am I don't want to say it anymore, guys, but I'm here just to like say this because I know at one point everything will fall into place. That's how confident I am. So now, bibigyan ko po kayo, pasensya na po. But alam mo, nakakatulong po to kasi now my mind is becoming clearer and I'm becoming more relaxed now. I'm now accepting what it is and I'm accepting what happened. And it is what it is. I'm just gonna move on and learn from it and then go to the next step, which is this, my plan A, this digital marketing that I'm doing right now. If you want to have your own business and you do not know kung paano ka magsisimula, you have no idea kung anong gagawin mo, I think you should try this one. We are using the power of the internet. We are leveraging the power of social media. And through that, we earn money. Paano po? We are partnered by a Japanese company. Okay? We are a partner and we get commissions from them. If you want to learn more and you want to dive deep into making a lucrative amount of commissions, just let me know. Just let me know. I'm here to help you because that's my goal, to help other people realize that there's another way of making money. Not trading 8 hours, 9 hours, 10 or even 12 hours of your life to something that you do not really want to do, that you do not really want to be there. Like, for example, you do not want to be trading your time to the things that you are doing right now. This is the next plan. This is the plan B that can be your plan A at one point. Bakit? Sobrang dami na pong yumaman. Sobrang dami na nagbago yung buhay. So I'm here just doing the things na ginawa nila, doing the things na ginagawa nila, na nag-lead sa kanilang success because wala naman po talagang pinagkaiba yung mga taong successful within our community. They just did the work. They didn't quit. Nagkamali sila. Bumangon sila. Nagkamali sila. Bumangon uli sila. Nagkamali uli sila. Pero ang ginagawa nila, they always come back. They always come back stronger because you are going to fail. You are going to fail at one point. You are going to make mistakes. You are going to make a lot of mistakes. But if you quit pag nagkamali ka, you already lost. But kung nagbago ka, you are resilient and stand up and then do your adjustment in order to go to your goal, it will happen. So yun po, I hope na I added value to your afternoon. I do not want to rant anymore. I'm not even ranting. I'm just saying what I feel right now. This is also like a therapy for me. Be able to like share the things na nangyayari sa akin because I'm just being the real me. I'm just being the real me. Hindi po ako nagpapanggap. Hindi po ako nagpapanggap na yayaman. Hindi po ako nagpapanggap na ginagawa ko to para lang magmukha akong consistency. No. I'm doing this because of my family. I'm doing this because of my daughter. I'm doing this because of my mom and my dad. I'm doing this because of my sisters and all of the people that I love. Because I know all of the actions that I'm doing right now will all take into fruition at some point in the future. So if you want to make money, let me know. If you want to open a business, let me know. Wag po kayong matakot. I'm not a scammer. I do not want to scam you. Mas importante po na makasama ko yung pamilya ko kaysa mga scam ako ng ibang tao kasi alam ko in scamming people, pwede ka makulong. And I do not want to jeopardize the amazing situation na meron ako ngayon. I live in a beautiful country, the beautiful people, the beautiful culture of Japan. So I do not want to jeopardize none of that. I'm not a scammer. Ang dami kong nag-inquire sa akin. Tinatanong nila kung is this a scam? This is not a scam. Ang mga scammer hindi sila nagpapakita ng mukha. Nakikita niyo yung mukha ko, di ba? I'm not a scammer, man. Come on. I do not want to trick people because in tricking people, kakarmahin ka lang. I'm here to help people make money. I'm here to make people find another solution. I'm here to make people realize that doing 9 hours or 10 hours of your job is not the answer. Hindi ka magiging milyonaryo ng ganyan. Okay? So yun po, I just want to end this with a light note that thank you for the people that are watching. Thank you po. I hope na hindi kayo nabingi sa aking mga sinasabi. Sana ho hindi kayo na bad trip sa aking mga sinabi. I'm just being the real me. This is the real David. I'm not putting a mask. I'm not putting another person. This is the real me. Those are my real thoughts, and I'm just being real. Okay guys, I will see you guys again. My next live will be in the Philippines or in the airport tomorrow. So I will see you guys again tomorrow. Peace. Thank you.